Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. As you read from the title, we are going to be doing a shopping haul. Something tells me, basically my YouTube insights, that the shopping hauls that I do are much more popular amongst you guys. And before we get into the video, let's the disclaimer side of it. Please don't think that I'm bragging or anything. It's just me sharing my joy with you all. And every time we travel somewhere, for some people, shopping also plays a very important role, and they do want to get an idea of how the things are priced there and stuff like that. So yeah, there is a lot of things, like there are a lot of things in different categories and stuff, and I probably have to speed up, otherwise it's going to take too long. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, there's one more disclaimer that I probably forgot to give. It's you might hear some noises in the background, and that's absolutely okay. I'm actually shooting this at 7 p.m. at my home. That's why I'm just giving out that disclaimer as well. Let's get into the video. First, let me start with all the magnets. I think everyone who travels to a destination is going to pick up a few magnets from there, or if not few, a one. But in our case, we picked up these many magnets, and this is basically magnets of all the places that we visited. Now we regret. We actually started regretting this back in Granada only. We haven't taken a magnet from Malaga, but nonetheless, I'm going to show you all the magnets. If you find the quality of the video is a little less, it's because I'm shooting it on my phone. I don't have my main camera here, but let's get started. So the first magnet is this one. It's from the small town of Toledo, and look at it, it's so colorful and so pretty and vibrant. The next magnet is from Madrid. Look at that magnet, another really nice magnet. It's basically the Gran Via street. The next is magnet from Seville, and Seville is basically, we will relate it to the performances that we saw there. So yeah, this is the magnet from Seville. The next magnet has to be one of my favorites. It's from Frigiliana. Look how cute and beautiful this one is. Exact replica of how Frigiliana looks, and how it is etched in our minds. So beautiful. The magnet from Barcelona looks like this. Very pretty magnet. And the last magnet is from Alhambra, Granada. So freaking pretty. All of these magnets are ranging, approximately 1 to 2 euros. I don't think we paid exorbitantly for any piece of magnet, but I am going to be now putting these up on my fridge or my Almira because they've been sitting until this video. So yeah, finally these are going to go up. Now next, I'm going to show you one more piece of memory article that we clicked at Barcelona. So let me get that. So guys, I'm not sure if you've seen the reels where a girl is carrying a camera around and she clicks your pictures and prints them out on these vintage papers. And that's what we got done. It was our first night in Barcelona, and we were really upset that our stuff didn't come and everything, but at least we found this girl and she clicked these pictures. This is Shashwat, my husband, right here, and then another picture of us together. You can see my eyes are closed, but that's fine. I always love this picture. Something around 5 euros. It's very expensive, guys. So they never ask for money and stuff, but it's a way of gratitude and stuff. The last thing we got from Madrid is this shot glass. It has España written all over it. I think wherever we've traveled, we've always collected shot glasses. We have a bunch of them on our mantle right here, and this is one more. So freaking pretty, and I don't remember how much this was costing. Oh yeah, it cost us $3.99. Before I get into fashion and food, and also my biggest purchase, because I bought my first ever luxury bag from Europe. That was the purchase I was willing to make because it has always been my dream to get a luxury bag, and what better place to get it in Europe, because the tax refund is amazing, the discounts are just... So yeah, let's get into some knickknacks first because I really want to get over with them. So the first thing that we got is this 2025 diary. So we went to Primark, and it was a huge Primark, at Barcelona, and that's where we got this 25 diary, and it also comes with a pen. It's a really cute diary to keep it in your bag. I anyways enjoy using diaries, so yeah, this is going right into my bag now. Okay guys, fun story. When we were in Spain, I saw a bunch of girls, they were carrying all their phones around their necks, and it seemed like too cool, and I am someone who tends to drop their phone sometimes. So then I got 2 of these. This is a wristlet, and I think, yeah, it costed $4.99, and look how pretty it is. It has a teddy at the end. So cute. The next one that I got is a longer version of this. So you can see, like, you can adjust it. There's a hook right here. I'm actually shooting on my phone, so I cannot tell you how it hooks and unhooks, and you can just fasten it from here or loosen it from here. That this provision of fastening or loosening is not available in that one. So So that's the only backdrop of that. And I think so, let me check the price of this, how much it costed. Can't see the price anywhere here, but I think so it costed $5.99, and I think it's a really good investment. So these are some of the knickknacks that I bought. Now let's move to all the skincare and the makeup that I got from there. Guys, I completely forgot to tell you one thing. At this point of time when I'm shooting this video, a few of the things I've already gifted to my family and to some of my friends. So I'm gonna just put up, pictures of all those things right here. They were very kind enough to, click pictures of themselves in that. So yeah, you can get an idea of what all I bought for them from there. But let's move on to the makeup. Actually, when it comes to makeup, I didn't really buy a lot. The first thing I bought is this NYX Fat Oil. I think I should do it from this hand. And this is in the shade Status Update. I honestly don't remember how much this was for, but honestly the color is so good. I can probably apply a little here. Oh, can you see that? And that's the color payoff, and it smells really good. Something I think you should pick up from Europe because this is really not sold here in India. And also, fun fact, this was the last piece that I picked up, and usually this shade is pretty sold out, and this is, will suit brown skin tone. So yeah, this one's the shade. The next thing I got was this eyeliner, Calligraph Pro. So the thing is that my eyeliner got over there, or it was in the brink of getting over, and I was like, okay, I cannot run out of eyeliners. I always wear one. So yeah, this is the one that we got, and this one costed about $2.99 or $3.99. I just got it from a pharmacy and stuff because you always need to check the pharmacies. They have some discounts and products that are quite good, so never ever forget to check out the pharmacies there. Next thing we got is a perfume. Look at how cute this bottle is, and this is Perfume Sapphire Woman of Legend by Sapphire. And fun fact, again, we picked it up for a steal deal. It was only for €1 or 1.29 euro because it was put on a counter where a lot of things were discounted, and originally it is priced at $2.99. So yeah, it smells really good, spritz too well. Like, again, got it from Primark. It's a really nice place for you to shop and stuff. And also, unlike Sephora where you need to bill a minimum amount to get the tax refund, at Primark that's not the case. You can shop for any item and they will give you a tax refund form. So yeah, Primark. And there was one more place where you can get makeup and stuff. I'm just gonna put it up on the screen because at this point I've forgotten the name. That's a really nice place for you guys to buy stuff and also get duty free on those. If you've seen our videos, you know our ordeal. We couldn't get our packs on time, and all of my skincare and makeup and everything was in that. Whilst I was fine with not my makeup, but my skincare was something that I absolutely needed. So I had to buy a face wash, a basic cream, and also a body oil or body lotion because it was very dry, very cold. So I'm just gonna give you, like, this was the face wash that we bought there, Bioderma's face wash, this pink variant. And honestly, the blue variant for me works much better than the pink one, but this was the only one that was available there. It was around the same price that we get here in India, so I don't think like there's a lot of difference in stuff, but this was the one that I got. Next, I got these lip glosses from Primark, and I got these as a gift for my team members and stuff, and honestly they're really nice and hydrating. They actually started using it the day I got them, and they gave me a really nice review. Unfortunately, I couldn't get this one for myself, but if you tend to visit Primark and you want to check out their makeup, I would highly recommend the lip gloss. Next, as I told you that our stuff didn't arrive on time, and I was badly in need of moisturizer, and all I had was a hand cream. So I bought the new Rev de Nail oil, and this is a dry oil, multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. You basically spritz it like this and it smells divine, guys. I mean, your body keeps hydrated, like it keeps your body hydrated the whole day. And this is how the packaging looks. This is the classic version of it. So I also got another version of it, which is the femme and the pink version. So I'll show you that. This is the other version that I picked up from duty free, and this was pretty inexpensive. As you can see, this is the travel size version. The NYX oil in general are pretty expensive, but this one was like the travel size is something in my budget, and honestly I would love love to travel with this product, and I just can't wait to book my next trip so I can carry this. Another thing that I picked up from the duty free is the cleaning moisturizer. I got the 30 ml variant because you know, unlike I was just doing the math here and there, and मुझे 30 ml फिर भी budget friendly लगा, but not the 50 ml or the bigger ones. So this is how it looks, and probably one of the best moisturizers that I've ever used because it is super hydrating. I'm gonna save this one for my travels because I really can't travel without this one. We are on the last leg of the beauty segment, beauty and skincare segment. I have some masks to share with you. These are the pink clay masks. I have never used pink clay mask in my life before, and I got them from Primark. And also from Primark I got this Cleanse and Smooth C Mineral Complex sheet mask. I actually stopped using sheet mask and stuff, but these were very cheap. These were for like this is for €1 and this is less than €1. So I really would be trying out one of these tonight and probably give you a review on my Instagram. So in case you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow. This is the handle right here. I actually post all my stories and trips and more about my life on Instagram first, and then they come up on YouTube. So Instagram is one place that you should definitely follow me because a lot of fun stuff happens there. Okay guys, before I move on to fashion and food items, I have to show you some pieces of jewelry and some stones which we got there. So this is the first pair of earrings. This is how it looks, and as you can see, it was originally costing €12.99, marked down to €9, and then I got it for $2.99. And just look how pretty these are. There was a store called, I can't remember the name or pronounce the name, so I'm just gonna put it up on the screen. And yeah, these is how it looks like. Pretty party wear earrings, and honestly I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I thought why not invest in one piece. So guys, when we were in Madrid, we had gone to this Christmas market and we were just waiting there for our tour to begin, and we went to this place where there were like stones like citrine and black onyx and all of those things. So I'm not going to be showing you the stones because they're too delicate and I don't want to break them or anything, but Shashwat got this black onyx pendant from there, and this is really cute. At this point I don't remember, I think it was around €5, but black onyx is something that is, as per his birth sign, it is something that he should wear, and now finally he's gonna get to wear this. But just check it out, how pretty and beautiful this pendant. Okay guys, because my biggest purchase is a fashion item, so I'm gonna take up the fashion items at the end, and now I'm gonna move on to food. So most of the food at this point we've had, मतलब obviously कौन बचा के रखता है एक महीने के बाद अगर मैं haul shoot कर रही हूँ तो, but there are some interesting things that are left, so I'm going to begin with that. There was this huge Miniso in I don't remember, I think so in Madrid. Yeah, that's where we went on the Gran Via. The Miniso was happening. You must have seen, if you see my Madrid vlog, you would have seen that Miniso. It was just wow, it was like heaven for me. And there we went and we didn't really buy a lot of stuff, we just bought snacks. Okay, so this is one of the snacks that I bought. This is the Hello Kitty snack. I don't think it was more than €1 and stuff. Now I can finally eat this. Also from from the same place, Miniso, we got Chupa Chups in sparkling variant, and I always wanted to try this. This is a strawberry and cream flavor, and yeah, that's how it looks. I think I'm not going to try it here, but yeah, on my Instagram you can see my review, so yeah, go follow there. Next, from Miniso, we got these Hello Kitty gum, and these are mints basically, and again less than €1 and stuff, but how cute are these pink mints? I'm going to finally be able to try this. I don't really know how to open this, but yeah, we'll figure that out. Then from Primark we got these two gums. Also we got a bunch of snacks from Primark, and yes, Primark has snacks just like Miniso, and we got gum. These are all sugar-free gums. One is the bubblegum variant and the other is this one, peppermint, and I don't remember what was the price of them, but they have 44 pieces in them. Yeah, one for Shashwat, one for me. Yeah, so cute. Next, obviously Europe गए और chocolates नहीं लिए कैसे हो सकता है? So we got these chocolates. This is the Nestle Crunch, and if you've had Dairy Milk Crackle, it's exactly the same. Very yummy. We actually got a bunch of chocolates, but यही दो बचे हैं last pieces, and अब ये भी नहीं बचेंगे because finally we're gonna eat these too. So guys, the next thing are these sugar coated almonds. So our tour travel guide over there, in the tour guide, she suggested to buy these almonds because they are a speciality of there. And as you can see, we haven't opened them yet. And yeah, we tasted I think one. I'm not really sure if we did or not. But yeah, these are from Mazapane Santo Tome Toledo, and that's where we got these from. And now we're gonna finally eat these as well. Now guys, if you've seen my Montserrat, not the Montserrat vlog but the Barcelona vlog, then you know we got some alcohol from there. Basically tasted these alcohols and they came in this kind of packaging, and there were about 6, I think so. If I'm not wrong, there were 6, and we ended up drinking 2 at our hotel there, and then 1 हमने यहाँ पे New Year वाली रात को पी लिया था, and then I'm left with 3. We're gonna gift a few of them to our friends and probably keep this one for us to have. But they were like inexpensive, like all of these bottles they cost us $15.99, and those are some wines or some sort of alcohol, but you have to definitely buy this if you are traveling to Montserrat. Okay guys, moving on to the last segment, which is fashion, and I'm going to reveal the bag that I bought from Spain. I'm so excited. But yeah, let's begin with the fashion items. The first thing is this cap that we got from Lefties. Okay, so there are a few stores that you have to check out when you're there because they are affordable, they have good material stuff, and you would love the pricing there. So this is the first cap. ये इतना tight क्यों है? But yeah, as you can see, it looks like this. This is not mine guys, this is Shashwat's, and yeah, मैं इसको थोड़ा सा ढीला कर लेती हूँ. And this is how it looks. I think I can probably wear this one too. So you can see, like, it is a very chic cap. He always wanted one and got a black shade because he's a guy, so can't help it. Next, हमें बहुत ठंड लग गई थी, so and ठंड भी नहीं थी, but yeah, just a bahana to buy these caps. So this one is from Primark, and this is the one Shashwat bought for himself because obviously उसको ठंड लग रही थी. This is the first purchases, first of the few purchases that we had made, and I think it was around 2 euros, 3 euros, not more than that. This was an affordable one, so this is the one he got. And then again, I think so we went to Lefties or maybe CNA. That's another brand that you need to check out when you are there. And I got this one, and I don't think it was more than 2 or 3 euros either, but this material is really soft. If you guys want to see it on me, I can wear it and show it to you guys. So yeah, this is how it will look. This is for the lighter winters guys. अगर आप बहुत ही ठंडी जगह में जा रहे हो, then this will not help because इतना भी वो नहीं है. But like for the lighter winters, I would definitely recommend this. Okay guys, the next thing are these pair of stockings that I bought from CNA again, and you can see like the color of the stockings. I always wanted wine stockings and stuff, and the ones that I found on Theatre from where I got my wool stockings were really expensive, so I thought why not buy it from here, and out there it was pretty cheap. It was not that expensive, and they also keep you warm because they are wool stockings. So this is the next purchase that I got from there. The next thing I got from CNA is this sweater with bows on it. It's so cute. I'm gonna pop up a picture of it wearing it right over here, and look at this, it is so cute. There was a white one in this as well, but I got the black one, and if I'm not wrong, this was for 22.99 euros. Yes, it is on the expensive side, but trust me guys, you go to H&M and that is the same pricing that you get here. And also I got tax refund on this, but look at this, it's so cute and definitely really warm. Okay guys, the next thing is what Shashwat bought from Levi's there, and this is this huge ass what is it supposed to be called? A jumper, a sweater, I don't know, not a sweater, kind of a sweatshirt. Yeah, sweatshirt, that's the material that it is. And guys, don't buy Levi's outside of this country because it is very expensive. This baby which protected him costed around 7,000 rupees, and we were shook, literally shook. But I'm gonna pop a picture of him wearing this right over here, how he looks, and yeah, that's the whole thing. He, as me, loves black, so that's why he too got black. But okay guys, the last or the second last fashion item that I got from CNA, oh no, this is from Lefties, is something which will shake your mind because I got it for such a steal deal. It was for only 19.99 euros, and this is this coat right over here, can you look at this? This is so warm, so fuzzy. Not fuzzy, but like warm. Like it will keep you warm. And this I basically bought because I have to go to work and stuff every day. This is how it looks, and the buttons and everything, there are double buttons over here. And this is basically for me to wear to my office and stuff, but also for casual outings. I think I can wear this one. It looks very, very chic. I unfortunately don't have a photo in this over here. Sometime on Instagram probably I'll post a picture with this, but this is the next item. Okay guys, before I move on to my big purchase from there, I'm gonna be just telling you that I got one more thing for my sister. I got a sweater for her from Stradivarius, and she basically sent a video and a photo of her wearing this. It's such a cool sweater. Obviously Stradivarius is a very expensive brand and it cost her almost like 29 euros, I think so, but that is the cost of Zara. And if you guys are wondering why I haven't got anything from Zara, that's because A, मुझे time नहीं मिला, B, मेरे luggage में जगह नहीं थी. But yeah, this is the sweater she got from there for herself. Okay guys, thank God मैंने अपना big purchase reveal करने से पहले आपको ये bag दिखा दिया which we bought from there. Basically Shashwat bought this bag and it's a really cool bag. I'll show you how it looks. Like this is the way it looks, you know, over here, and it's basically he can keep his passport and, you know, some papers, car keys and everything in this. And I actually urged him to buy this from Zara. So in case you're wondering कि आप यूरोप गए आपने Zara से कुछ नहीं लिया, like Spain गए Zara से कुछ नहीं लिया, so this is what we bought from Zara. And yeah, I can also use this bag, so happy. Okay guys, there's a change in the frame क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा कैमरा पीछे किया है. Reveal my big purchase, and I'm so grateful and so thankful to God that I'm able to, you know, afford these trips and these kind of purchases for myself. It is something that I always wanted to buy, and I know, I mean, a lot of people who must be watching this on the internet will be feeling यार कितनी shallow है, खुशी हो गई बस एक bag लेकर and stuff. But try and understand there are certain, you know, milestones and goals in every person's life, and though my biggest milestone is to travel to every country in the world, which I hope I'm able to do in this lifetime, but also to gift myself luxuries and stuff. And yeah, that's how I bought this bag. I'm not going to, you know, unbox it or anything. कुछ aesthetic नहीं होने वाला. I'm just going to show it to you over here. And also, I got a steal deal on this bag. Oh my god. You can see how happy I am. It's genuine happiness. It's not made up or anything. I just wanted to buy something like this for so many years, and, you know, back and forth और stores में घुस के वापस निकलने के बाद finally मैंने ये ले लिया, and I just can't wait to reveal this. So yeah, here's it coming. So guys, this is the bag that I got. I got a Coach bag, and oh my god, put this out right here. For my wedding also I was gifted a Michael Kors bag, and I'm so grateful that I got that as a gift, and that's why I was carrying that in my entire trip. So you guys must be wondering, vlogs में तो आप like Michael Kors लेके भी घूम रहे थे, but that was a gifted bag, and I'm just grateful to my family for gifting me these kind of luxuries. But this is something I bought for my own money, and it makes me so happy. I'm just gonna give you a close-up of how the bag looks. It's a medium-sized bag, and if you can see right here, this is the logo, brand logo, and मैंने यहाँ पे अपने initials भी कराए हैं, RD with a fly, because I love to travel. So yeah, the initials are right here. I mean, it looks so chic when I, you know, carry this bag right here like this, and obviously it has much more space than my regular handbags and stuff, and it just costed me, if I have to like, you know, convert it into INR version, 10,600 rupees guys. And yes, you must be thinking like this is not a newer version, tabby le lete, tabby kyun nahi liya aapne? Guys, something which I'm gonna keep it for the future, and I didn't want to buy a very expensive bag as my first luxury bag. So yeah, this is the bag. Oh my god, so happy. मुझे मन करता है मैं इसे हर जगह ले जाऊँ, but I'm so protective of this bag because I don't want it to get destroyed. But this is the bag that I got, and I know you guys must be feeling like पागल हो चुकी है. No guys, it's genuine feeling, genuine happiness, and yeah, this is the bag I got. So guys, with that, the Spain haul comes to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like my other haul videos, I think you might be wondering if the quality is a little low, but please bear with me. I still don't have my camera. I still have a lot of my stuff to move from my mother's house to this house, but I'm just grateful, very, very happy. I mean, I can't wait to take you along with a lot many experiences than Spain, and you have to look out for them in 2025, because I'm planning to travel a little more, planning to explore new places, and you know the drill. Subscribe to my my channel, like this video, leave a nice comment, and even if you don't leave, it's fine, and share it with your friends. And with that, I'll see you in the next one, in the next travel series, and you and I are going to be traveling together, so look out for that, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.